So let me show you how you can adjust camera settings on the Mac computer, whether you have the iMac or MacBook, right? The way that it works is that you don't really use like camera app on your Mac. It's not really in there, but you mostly use the camera for video calls. Things like the FaceTime, right? And especially if you're using FaceTime, you can get inside like this and essentially see yourself in here, and you can make some changes to the camera and the way that you look. For example, you click on the option to choose like background behind yourself or the focused one, or the best way to essentially do it would be by going to the top of the screen. And as you can see, now that the camera is enabled within a FaceTime, I can expand it, and I'm actually right there, and I can change some settings for it, right? So I can choose the background, I can enable reactions, right? So if I choose the background from any of those options, I don't know, I pick this one, or a black one, whatever. And that's how you can change the camera settings. But again, specifically for the FaceTime video calls, there is the edge light. You can see looking like this to light up the screen and your face. Then there's also the studio light, the portrait mode, and so on, right? So that's how you can make some changes to the camera, but again, for specific purposes. If you want to use the camera for some other things, you can also explore the App Store, and there are going to be a bunch of different camera apps which might even work for capturing photos, right? So you have like the Cam Photo app, for instance, right? And you can essentially use it just like the camera on your device, and you can essentially just capture photos and videos in there. I guess that application might also have some additional settings for specifically the camera, but let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.